Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect loafers, let me show you what I got here. If you're looking for a men's loafer that checks all the boxes, comfort, style, and versatility, this one's for you. My husband has tried plenty of shoes, but these Go-Tour men's penny loafers quickly became his go-to pair, and here's why he loves them. First of all, comfort. That's the number one reason these are his go-to shoes. From the first wear, they feel soft, lightweight, and already broken in. No stiffness, no discomfort, and no blisters. What really makes these loafers stand out as well is how versatile they are. You can easily dress them up or dress them down. They're one of those shoes that instantly pull an outfit together without trying too hard. The slip on design is another big plus. Fit wise, they're true to size, which is always a huge win. No guessing, no breaking them in, just a great fit right out of the box. And the quality feels solid and well made, especially for the price. They also come in a variety of colors and styles, so it's easy to find the one that matches your style or grab more than one pair for different looks. So if you want a loafer that's comfortable enough for all day wear, stylish enough to dress up or down, and easy enough to slip on and go, the Go-Tour men's penny loafers are a solid win. They look great, feel great, and once you try them, you'll understand why my husband keeps reaching for them. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.